Empire because obvious. The one I wanted is something from the expansion. Blaster pistol, blaster rifle. Let's do an E4 scout, Wookie barrage, home shot, handing shot on.
Silly customer, you cannot hurt a Twinkie.
Where are all those rebel scums, Tweety bird? Dead, 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 death, death, even death, dead. Bullets, rampage, bed, dead, 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 bed, dead. Good night, moon. Ooh, that's not me. I mean, that is. You are a friend, but I kill you. I can't kill him. Why can't I kill my friend? Dead, death to you all. Rebels, Tweety's bird. Oh! Bomb, 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 dead, dead, grenade, explosion. Okay, no! Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, Goofy, Daffy. You gotta aim it just right. Oh, kill, dead, death. Yeah, I exploded him in the face. Oh, I couldn't fire it. It's the sky! No! Dead to you all. Or dead Tweety bird. Yeah! We won! Yeah!